Since the environment is changing rapidly due to the long-term usage of fossil fuel and the development of industrialization, global warming, disaster, flood, forest fires, those disasters are rising day by day and more hard to control. To respond to these crises, more and more countries are heading to the new era with renewable energy. We, Infinity Logistics, take a part in driving us to a more sustainable future by providing transportation and installation services for offshore and onshore wind farm projects in the whole Vietnam.
Xin chào, tôi là Lực, hiện tại là CEO của Infinity Logistics. Infinity Logistics hiện là một trong những công ty hàng đầu trong lĩnh vực vận chuyển và lắp đặt các thiết bị siêu trường siêu trọng tại Việt Nam.
Being an expert in logistics industry in Vietnam, we understand the importance of providing the best service quality and appropriate expense. With that spirit, we provide tailor-made solutions to each project and each type of cargo. These solutions are implemented by our experienced engineers and personnel with the mission of bringing high quality and safety standards of service, aiming at no-risk goal.
Hello, I'm Khánh, Chief of Technical Engineering Department, where whenever we receive request for proposal from our client, we always do the best to create the solution for transportation, solution for installation by designing, populating and utilizing our equipment resource. Those things to be compliant with nowadays the wind turbine technology production from global supplier.
The strength of Infinity Logistics is owning and operating a fleet of specialized flat-top barges and tugboats which are specially used in offshore wind farm projects throughout Vietnam. Among those, 2 flat-top barges are named after 2 Japanese gods, Infinity Daikoku and Infinity Ibisu. First, to say about offshore wind farm projects, in a country with a coastline of 3,260 kilometers, which is extremely potential for wind power development like Vietnam. Infinity has a deep understanding of the transportation of wind turbine equipment on inland waterways and seaway under complex weather and geographical conditions. Infinity Logistics' experienced engineers team also ensure the safe transportation of equipment, meet the progress of the project, ensure safe handover to the construction site, and ensure the completion of projects as committed to the project owner. Infinity Logistics also has the strength of owning a team of heavy-duty tractors and hydraulic trailers, total tonnage of over 2,000 tons. Along with hydraulic trailers which can be extended up to 55 meters, steering on 4 axes, with a dedicated steering angle of up to 55 degrees to be able to transport wind blade up to 80 meters in length. Infinity Logistics' fleet of vehicles can meet all demands throughout onshore wind power projects, such as trucking from underhook to storage, trucking to barge, trucking from port to job site through difficult kinds of roads like terrains, curves. To ensure our service quality, we always follow our qualified management system and occupational health and safety management systems, ISO 9001 and ISO 45001, for transporting oversized cargoes and transporting wind turbine equipment. We are very glad because after every project, we are always acknowledged and praised by our esteemed customers, by IPC Group JSC, PC1 Group JSC, Power Construction Corporation of China, and Power China Vietnam, acknowledged for Infinity's successful job. Infinity consider there isn't any cargo that is too big, too high, or too long. we will always find out solutions that will satisfy our customers. We aim to long-term business relationship. And of course, we do not just do it by saying, we do it by real action to bring really inspired services to our customers with all of our hearts. By our experience, we have successfully implemented many projects, as well as renewable energy projects in Vietnam. And many transportation projects to many countries in the world. Here are more services that we provide. Thank you for watching our video and hope that we can serve you in Vietnam or in any projects from Japan to Vietnam. We are willing to be at your service.